Hello learners, welcome to this another session of Certificate in Fashion Design program, which is coded as CFD. Today's session is on samples of disposal and control of fullness. This is one of the activity of this course 2 of this program, which is basics of pattern making and sewing, and we have already done the course block 1 of this particular course, and today we will be discussing the activity part, which is the practical based, and topic we will be covering is sample of disposal and control of fullness. So first of all, let us discuss what all points we will be discussing in this session. So first of all, we will be discussing techniques of fullness on the garment. So there are different techniques by which we can create fullness on the garment. We construct. There are techniques for controlling fullness on the garment. So the way we can create the fullness on the garment, there is some techniques by which we can control the fullness of the garment. Then we will discuss about techniques such as gathers, pleats, tucks, darts and its type. So let's just start. As the activity of this we are discussing is sample of disposal and control of fullness. So why this is important to learn, why this is important to study, what outcome you will gain after doing this particular activity. So when you will go through the practical manual of this particular course, that is course 2, basics of pattern making and sewing, and if you attempt this activity, you will be dealing with the basic techniques of adding fullness to the garment, like we use gathers, we use pleats, darts and tucks, and you will be learning about their various types and methods of construction. So we generally see types of method, different techniques used in the garment, but we don't know how these methods or how this thing or how this particular method is done on the garment. So we will be discussing that particular techniques and how to create that particular thing or to create design on the garment, and we will learn the step-by-step method of construction of that particular technique. So after doing this particular activity, you can develop samples of gathers, tucks, pleats and darts, and follow the right construction techniques to create a good and the perfect method for controlling and creating fullness on the garment. So first of all, we will discuss about and learn about the gathers. So gather is one of the technique by which we can create fullness on the garment. So what gathers means? So gathering is the process of drawing a large amount of fabric into a predetermined small area and to create soft even folds on the garment. So generally, as in this picture you can see on the waistline small folded fabrics you can see. So this how this technique, how this folded small folded pleats like or the folds